not married or can't marry, but want a partner visa. This is one of the common scenarios we deal with at Down Under Visa all the time. Clients contact us wanting a partner visa, yet they're not married together, and maybe they can't legally marry because they're a same-sex couple. Maybe one of them or both of them are still married to other people, and there is no pending divorce or annulment in the system at this particular time. And in these cases, they're not living together in a de facto relationship right now. Regardless of the reasons, they're not in a position to apply immediately for a partner visa. And of course I have a bit of a sigh to myself. I know they'll be disappointed. The best is when I can say, yes, we can help you right now. But in cases like this, no, I can't. Options for couples who can't marry right now. There is only one reasonable and realistic option for Australian Filipina couples who can't marry yet they wish to apply for a partner visa from Philippines to Australia. That option is to apply for a partner visa based on a de facto relationship. The issue is that you must be in a de facto relationship right now. It's not about getting a visa so that you can start a de facto relationship. You need to be in one right now, and you need to be able to prove that you are living as a committed couple, leading a shared life right now. What do you do if you want to be together right now? You accept the fact that you can't. So take a large dose of patience and listen to the next bit. How long do you need to be in a de facto relationship before applying? 12 months. Can this 12 months be reduced? Well, yes and no. Some states, Queensland, New South Wales, ACT, Victoria and Tasmania, allow registered relationships through the Department of Births, Deaths and Marriages in that state. South Australia, Western Australia and Northern Territory, at this particular point anyway, they have no registered relationships. And whilst Queensland, New South Wales and ACT will allow you to register the relationship if just one of you is living in that state, in other words, one partner can be living overseas, in the Philippines, for example, Victoria and Tasmania insist that both parties are resident in that state at the time of applying. I think we've already explained well enough in other blog articles that you don't necessarily need to be together for 12 months non-stop. You can have gaps in that time when you are apart for unavoidable reasons. In other words, if you don't have a visa, you can't be together. That's unavoidable. So it's not necessary to try to get a 12-month tourist visa to be together. You won't get one anyway. But you will be out of luck if you try to get a registered relationship in Victoria or Tasmania, because it won't happen. And the big one, if either of you is still married and not yet legally divorced or annulled, you can't register a relationship. But if you can register a relationship, you can reduce the 12 months down to 6 months. Just note that having a registered relationship, this is not a substitute for relationship evidence. Even if you have this nice shiny certificate saying you have an official registered relationship, you still need to prove not only that you have an established relationship, as you do with any partner visa, you also have to prove that you are leading a shared life. The registering bit is just part of it. All it does is reduces that 12 months down. It doesn't mean you have everything you need. It's only part of it. However, of course, it helps. Establishing a de facto relationship. Who can help? Funny you should ask. Well, Down Under Visa can. This is one of the things we do. We've got a lot of experience in this area, and we do have something to offer in the situations. It's not a quick fix, sorry. And it would be dishonest or misleading of us if we tried to offer a quick fix. You have to be in an established de facto relationship when we lodge the application, or the visa will be refused. We have our de facto planner modules, which, along with our guidance, are available to ensure that you have everything in place. because living together is not enough in itself. Just having someone living in your house doesn't mean you are in a de facto relationship, even with them sharing a bed. You need to be able to demonstrate clearly and without doubt that you are leading a shared life, where you have combined your personal affairs and where you think and act as we instead of me. And you have to do this more extensively than you would normally do if you weren't applying for a visa, because you need to be able to show yourselves in the best possible light. If you go to court, you wear a suit, right? Well, the case officers are the judge, so you need to show yourselves in your best possible light. Again, you need to put a suit on your relationship, as it were, and let them see exactly how committed you are to each other. Nothing fake, I'm not talking about that, just show yourselves at your best. So it means you need to have a lot of things in place, and that's where we can help. We can help you do just that. We can help you to prepare and change your lifestyle to show your commitment to each other, so that once the 12 months or the 6 months, if you have a registered relationship, is up, we can prepare and lodge a partner visa application for you that should be successful. So all is not lost if you do get an assessment from Down Under Visa saying we can't help you right now because you're not in a position right now to apply for a partner visa. With a large dose of patience and a firm resolve, yes, we can normally help you in the future if you follow some sound and experienced advice. Thank you. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it and you would like to subscribe, you can click on the little button down the bottom corner there, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. There are regular articles on aspects of Australian visas to the Philippines on www.downundervisa.com.au. There's a blog page you can subscribe to. There is a free visa assessment form, and there are regular articles on aspects of Australian Filipina relationships, which you can see on www.filipinawives.com.au. If you can please share these articles and these videos on any of the social media that you use, we would appreciate that. Thank you.